There's a couple of ways for you to be able to email your attachments. Either you can go directly into a property or a vendor or a contact, anywhere where attachments are available, and you can click on the attachment tab, pick what you want to email out simply by checking the boxes, and then you can email that out. Very simple. But the power is within the system config, and this is really, really exciting. If we click here on attachments, we have every single attachment that has been uploaded into the system. So let's say at the end of the year you want to email all those HUDs to your accountant. Simply click on the attachment type, and at the click of a couple buttons, it's so easy for you to email all of those attachments to your accountant, your bookkeeper, whoever it may be. So take advantage of this, guys. Make sure you use the attachment type and take advantage of all the attachments that are available in your system for you.